Hello everyone and welcome to another Insilico terminal tutorial. Today we're breaking down three essential components: positions, orders, and activity. These tools help you monitor, manage, and optimize your trades in real time. Whether you're tracking open positions, adjusting orders, or keeping an eye on ongoing activities, mastering these will supercharge your trading workflow. We'll cover their features, columns, actions, and tips. Let's jump in. First up, the positions component. Your hub for all open positions across accounts and instruments. Select all in the account selector to see everything at once. To start, I'm showing a fairly minimal setup with most options disabled. You can view and sort by your position symbol, entry, liquidation, size, and unrealized or realized gain or loss. The closing menu gives you various options to close positions. Limit, place a limit order at the current quote price or input a price manually. Scale 0.25%, splits 10 limit orders across 0.25% price range from the current best bid or ask. Chase initiates chase order type to close the position. Market immediately closes with a market order. TWAP executes a time-weighted average price order over 1 or 5 minutes, and Swarm closes with either 10 or 50 lots. You also have the option to reverse the position, which closes with a market order and reopens a new position of the same size on the opposite side. If you're in hedge mode, you can also hedge your position, which opens a hedge of your current position in the opposite direction with the same size. The share button on the right lets you create customizable P&L cards to share with your friends or on social media. Additional settings. Switching from simple to expanded style reveals more data like the current price under your entry or the USD value of your position. Under leverage, you can display effective leverage, which shows your position's actual account risk. For unrealized gains, you can emphasize absolute or relative gain and also enable a colored background. Relative gains can be displayed as return on investment, notional value, or account percentage. Toggle lets you emphasize size in either coin or USD terms. Size mode lets you choose whether USD value is based on the last price or entry price. Liquidation price can be shown as an absolute value or relative percentage. Then we get to the footer. It can display total open positions split into longs and shorts plus your delta, and total unrealized P&L across all positions, with an option to view in your contract's margin currency, useful if you trade USDC or inverse contracts. It can also show longs and shorts unrealized P&L and total account leverage. Then we have a couple optional buttons, the first of which is conversion, which allows you to convert a perp position into spot holdings if available for that instrument. TPSL, which quickly lets you add a take profit or stop loss, including at entry or break-even price. Add, which is the same options as close, but for adding to a position. Market, to quickly exit at market price. And limit, which places a limit order at the best bid or ask. These are all handy shortcuts if you don't want to go through the full closing menu. The filter at the bottom right lets you search positions by symbol. Now for the orders component. It lists all your current orders and stops for the selected instrument, sorted by status: open, filled, cancelled, closed, and stops. Switch to all to see orders across every instrument on the account. You can sort by symbol, price, size, or time for easier organization. When open is selected, actions include cancelling individual open orders and bulk cancelling all open buys or sells, excluding stops. You can also edit on the fly. Click on price or quantity to open an input box. Adjust and confirm with enter. If you want the orders component to stay on all orders instead of switching between symbols, enable the lock all symbols toggle. The footer can show the total USD or coin amount of your orders, plus total buys and sells. The filter at the bottom right works the same way as in the positions component. Finally, the activity component gives you an at-a-glance summary of your current trading and execution activities. This is especially useful for monitoring longer running tasks like TWAP or limit chase orders, which might be hidden in the orders component. It shows details such as current price and size, and also allows you to cancel operations directly. For a running TWAP, you can see the progress, the duration, your total size, your average price, any bounds if you have them enabled, and the drop-down menu provides additional details of your chosen settings, plus info like total amount filled and the start time. That's your overview of positions, orders, and activity components in Insilico Terminal. Dive into the docs for more details. If you have any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching and trade efficiently.